In this use of the semicolon, you're going to make a brief pause inside a sentence, and you're going to join two independent clauses. An independent clause is basically a complete sentence. It can stand on its own. Each independent clause contains a subject and a verb. Then the semicolon is going to join two related ideas. Let's take a look. Here's an example. Selma and Patty are planning a trip to Las Vegas. Semicolon. They love casinos and shows. All right, notice how the semicolon is inside the sentence. Notice that the semicolon joins two complete sentences. Let's look at the beginning of the sentence and identify the subject and verb of the part of the sentence before the semicolon. Selma and Patty, that's the subject of the first part of the sentence. And are planning is the verb. So that's a complete sentence. After the semicolon, they is the subject and love is the verb. That's a complete sentence as well. So we meet that requirement of joining two independent clauses. And for this particular rule, each of the ideas is related to one another. Think of the mark as replacing because. Selma and Patty are planning a trip to Las Vegas because they love casinos and shows. Are you new to semicolons? First, write a sentence with because. You've written sentences with because all throughout your academic career. Beginning musicians learn to play scales on their instruments because these simple progressions form the basis of musical compositions. Now, substitute a semicolon for because. Beginning musicians learn to play scales on their instruments. Semicolon. These simple progressions form the basis of musical compositions.